Hello everyone, nice to see you again in another video of my channel, Amr's Health Hub. Are you suffering from a lower back pain? Keep watching this video because this video gonna change your whole concept about lower back stretching. Sometimes you have a lower back pain and you went to the physio or you ask a friend or you check the internet, there is a specific type of stretching you have to do. You did this stretching properly, everything is good, but you feel nothing or sometimes you feel even worse. That doesn't mean that the stretching is wrong, but actually maybe it's wrong for your condition. A weakened or a bulged disc is actually coming from two different types. This is different than a lower back strain around the muscle of the lumbar spine. The weakened disc, it can be anteriorly or posteriorly, and this have two different types of stretching. For example, if your disc is weakened or herniated anteriorly, that means any forward stretching is gonna aggravate it more. And also the opposite side, if your vertebral disc is weakened posteriorly, that means the backward stretching gonna compress it more. And the more pain you have, that means this actually movement it's not suitable for you. So how to know what type of weakened disc you have? Generally, I can do it by a fascia palpation, but you can do it back home by doing a small test. You see when you do forward stretching or backward stretching, which exactly position is producing more pain for you. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you some stretchings, match and suits for your lower back condition. Enough talking too much, let's watch. As you see in this stretching like a cobra pose, this will be beneficial if you are suffering from the lower back pain caused by the herniated disc anteriorly, which is you will feel more better if you bending backwards. Hold this position for around 5 to 7 seconds and maintain a proper breathing. This other type of stretching, it will be beneficial if your herniated disc related to the posterior area. That means when you bend forward, you will feel more better. Lie down, make both of your legs straight and then bend the leg which is having the pain mostly, or you can alternate between both legs and then lean forward. Another type of stretching, it will help you to strengthen your lower back, reduce any muscle stiffness along the lumbar spine, and also release your sciatica nerve pain. This pose, it will help you to clear any compression around the vertebra. Simply bend your leg and hold this position for 5 to 7 seconds and maintain a proper breathing. Another good forward stretching is to lie down and hold it in this position. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please share your comments below. See you next video.